Watch out, man. I real skill I represent, you know. For Lion Foot TV. That's my CV.
Bless hello and greetings all my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, I hope all is well. And as usual, I hope this video finds you all in the best of health. I know we say health over wealth. See, now my viewers and subscribers did a review yesterday. Just a flashback, memories of Sting 2002 with one of Ninjaman's greatest moments, where he put on an epic performance, and he also did a good cause by handing in 2 of his guns. You know, hoping that the bad man them, the shatter them. You see me, I said the Dan them would have come giving them gun to, because at that time the crime rate was so high in Jamaica, you know. Sky high, people are dead, innocent, young, old, you know what I mean, and Ninjaman I said, boy, I bring him a gun them, you know, because you know, as an artist, you know, the voice is so powerful and people listen to them, you know, so by him handing in the gun, he was hoping that the shatter them would do the same thing too. And he also told Leng on stage that don't kill the bad man them and the youth them. Not for them go at it because they're hungry and fire gun, you know. You see me, so if you can give them work and them thing there and look after them kids, maybe they may come hand in the gun and stop the crime and violence. You know me I say. I know Ninjaman always had the greatness. I'm a fan of Ninjaman. Big up Ninjaman, you know me I say. But my people, when I posted the video, a comment was made by White Shadow, big up White Shadow, and he said he was one of the cameramen on stage filming the event, Sting 2002. I know that's a big event, you know what I mean? So I asked if I could get an interview just to share his experience on stage, you know what I mean, while Ninjaman was performing Bounty Killer, and big up Bounty Killer too, you see me? And Ninjaman handling his gun, because he don't know if I really firearm, see me? Yeah, so he said yes, he can do it, so I'm just taking this time out now to conduct the interview for you guys to also get a moment, feel the experience, you know what I mean, of someone sharing their experience on stage at Sting 2002. So White Channel I'm going to show it to him now, you see me? He say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give you free, no nonsense. Welcome to Lion Foot Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. These are thanks. Blessed, blessed, blessed. White Shadow, how go on, bro?
Yeah, Lion Foot.
Yeah, you hear me loud? Yeah, you hear me loud and clear?
Yeah, man, I hear you clearly, man.
Alright, so do give thanks. Yeah, man. What time is Jamaica now?
You know, it's 17 minutes past 11 in the night, yeah.
Okay, see? After 5 you know we're there, dash water up and sleep, you put in the work, you see me?
Yeah, man, that's how it go, man.
Yeah, man. So, alright, though, your family alright, and everybody in the pandemic moment, yeah?
Yeah, man, when you don't know, we keep safe, you know. You see it?
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, so, let me say now, the video I posted yesterday, Sting, just a flashback with one of Ninjaman's greatest performance, Sting 2002. You know what I mean? I saw you made a comment. So you were there filming it, and that gave me the chills, you know, to know that wow, that's a great experience. You know what I mean? So I say, boy, I love it if you could share some of that experience to me and also the fans them on the channel, you know?
Well, 2002 is a year that I can never forget for many reasons still, you know, because it was the year that I actually started camera work.
Okay, yeah, cause I was gonna ask you that, you know, how did you get that opportunity? You see me? So 2002, you started out doing filming.
Yeah, I was trained by my uncle. His name is Jose Walton. You know, he's been around since JBC days from in the 70s, and he took me in and teach me the trade, you know. So I was training right up until that Christmas season, and we went to Sting, and he gave me the camera and said, well, tonight is make it or break it, you know, so show me what you can do.
Okay.
And the rest is history, because it's been 18 years now since I've been doing camera work, you know, non-stop.
Okay, see, so I take it to break it then, because I saw some of your works and they're quietly professionally done, you know, and things. So Over a decade, 18 years now, over a decade, wow. So apart from Sting to 2002, how many shows have you done? Have you done any other shows, big events?
Well, yeah, I've done a few, but the ones that actually stick out in my memory the most are like Reggae Sumfest, Rebel Salute, St. Mary we come from, you know. But I've covered many stage shows over the years.
Okay, and those that you mentioned are some giant stage shows, so you know,
Yeah, man.
giant.
That's why I actually remember them, you know, because they're really good shows, you know.
Yeah, man. So big up Cape and Tony Rebel and all of the big promoter them. Yeah, you see me. Big up Length too. You see it. Yeah. So where else have you worked on any TV station apart from filming shows?
Well, I was a freelancer throughout the years, you know. So I freelanced with RETV and Hype TV from their inception right up until 2011. And I usually do like news and sports for TVG and CBM and also JNN, Jamaica News Network.
Okay, well, you remember JNN, yeah. So you done a lot then in the industry, man.
Yeah, man, even the very first Rising Stars that kept in Jamaica, you know, I was a part of that production team.
Okay, so you're a journalist or you're a graphic, you do graphic work as well, right? Graphic works and
Video films and graphics.
Video editing, and you manage artists as well, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So why me forget your kudos and your praise still, and you know, for your man.
I actually do artist development as well, you know. So it's not every artist that I manage that I help out. I help out other artists, you know, give them words of encouragement and advice on how to better their career and just keep pushing in the music industry. It's a part of my dream, and also God put it in my heart. So it don't even come like work to me because it just come like second nature, you know.
Yeah, okay. So how you get the time to do all those stuff? Graphic editing?
First and foremost, I have to big up Father God because through him everything is possible, you know. And as I said, it don't come in like work to me, so it don't even seem that hard. I just do it, you know.
Yeah, true. Because I can relate. A lot of people ask me, oh, man, you can do so much things, you know, like refereeing, coaching, music, vlogging and all those stuff. But I just, the passion and the blessing from God, you know, and the love, yeah.
Yeah, but once you're doing something that you love, and it doesn't come in like work, so it don't really feel like a strain on you.
Yeah, man. So,
and so God, all things are possible, so.
Yeah. Alright, Shadow. Yeah, man. So, we don't ask you again. When you was on stage, Sting 2002, them firearm there, did the real firearm ninjaman give it and then?
Yeah, man, the real machine itself, man. A matter of fact, when we see pull out the first one, you know, because it was my first experience being on a stage, I almost got a little nervous, but then I realized that, hey, make or break it. Those were the words that my uncle said to me, you know, so I have to just hold steady and just make it happen, you know.
Yeah, because I knew it was real gun, but because you were there, you know, I heard from I heard that it was a real gun, you know what I mean, but knowing that you was there, I had to hear from your mouth, you know what I mean, to confirm it.
Yeah, man,
yes,
the real deal, it was a great move by Ninjaman still, because he sent a message to a lot of people, you know.
Yeah, man, a great move, great move.
And he also sent a message to the police that, hey, if somebody willing to give you a gun, just give them amnesty and don't bother pressure them, you know, because we need to take the guns off of the streets.
Yeah, true. Alright, Shadow, big up yourself, do give thanks for the time. So you do graphics work, you do video directing, you know, you do artist development, artist management. How can the people reach out to you if anybody wants to hire your service?
Alright, my email address is whiteshadowmusicpromo@gmail.com. That's WHITESHADOW
Okay, great, great. Alright, yeah man. And I will also
And on Instagram it's white_shadow876.
Alright, yeah man. I will also type it on the screen as well, you know, so them can see it.
Yeah,
Yes,
man, give thanks to the lion foot, you don't know.
yeah,
and
man.
tell them to put in the great work that you're putting in, you know.
Yeah man, give thanks for this moment as well, you know, it's an honor, and I know the fans them gonna enjoy it. You know what I mean, to hear that, you know, from someone live who was at Sting 2002. You get me? So give thanks, more thanks to you man, and big up yourself and take care of yourself. And yeah, any new projects coming up, any new video coming up, shooting or?
Well, the main focus now has been on my graphics, trying to master that trade, you know, and things. So I kind of put the video thing on a little small pause, but I'm about to start actually working back on a few video productions very, very, very soon. There's a lot in the pipeline that's coming up.
Yeah, okay. I know
I have quite a few bookings, but I don't really want to talk about them. I just going to let them happen naturally, you know.
yeah man, I say go man. Self go, that's the right way, you know? Yeah, so yeah man, Shadow, big up yourself, White Shadow. You don't know. Stay safe and
Yeah man, I'm applying for TV every time, you see it.
yeah man, greatness, greatness, alright?
Alright, respect my brother.
Yeah man,
Give
bless
thanks
you,
to
man.
the interview, you know.
Yeah man, thanks for the fee, for the information as well man. You know what I mean? Big up yourself.
Every time man, blessed love.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that was White Shadow. He was at Sting 2002. You heard for yourself that the guns were real, but I heard they were real good. So big up Ninjaman, you don't know freedom's a must. Big up White Shadow, big up all of my lion and my lioness. I hope you all enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment. Feel free to like, comment and share. You know what I mean, make someone else here. I'm out.